If you want to launch a business or start a new business or build a business, this video is for you. Hey, my name is Jesse Eker, and I get it. Business is awesome. Harv Eker says, wealth rule number one, no limits on your income. And the best way to actually approach that is by starting a business. There's a lot of people who want to start a business, especially with all of the things going on in the world. It's a great opportunity to get started, to start and build your business. So it's really important when you're getting started and want to launch something, especially online, because that's what I have experience with, is that we need to understand what we want to start, right? We need to have this idea. We want to start something. We're just maybe not sure what to do. So we just finished this challenge, and we just finished, I just finished a VIP call, and I just finished a bunch of coaching with some students. And the most common thing continues to come up. It's like, I don't know what I want to start, or I want to teach people how to do this or show people how to do this, but the common thing is that they haven't achieved it yet, right? And so I'm a big advocate for starting a business, and I'm a bigger advocate by teaching people what you know already, what you know and love. The way that we want to approach this type of starting or launching a business is we need to think about what experiences we've had in our life. What have we achieved? What have we overcome? And we don't need to make these big, bold claims and promises to help people out. What we need to understand is, as an entrepreneur, you solve problems at a profit. That's simply it. You are a problem solver. You need to solve a problem. So you don't need to think that, oh my God, I want to teach people how to start an online business. If you've never started an online business or grown an online business, you don't have to think that big. What you need to think about in any market that you go into is the problems that they have, not the big problem or the big want that they want, the big result that they want. Think of what's the one small problem that they're dealing with. So I'll give you an example with maybe some coaches. If you want to teach coaches, there's multiple problems that coaches have. So one big problem they have is they are stuck doing free sessions when they want to do paid sessions. Instead of teaching people how to grow their coaching business, you can be specific and say, I teach coaches how to go from free to paid, from free sessions to paid sessions, all right? Another thing with coaches is they're probably not getting as many leads as you want. They're probably not charging as much as they want. They're probably not confident in actually coaching. Those are like 5 different ideas of where you can start. Now, if you have experience with any of those ideas, then you can start with one. You don't have to start with the whole thing. You just start with one. So we got to be specific with the problem that we're solving. We have to be very specific with what we're doing. And if we're not specific and we're going too broad with trying to promise too big or trying to give too big of an outcome, and we haven't achieved it yet, well, then we're not being authentic. We're not being real. So you got to think of what's the overall goal that they want? What's the overall outcome they want? And also, what are the challenges or challenges or problems that they're running into with getting to that outcome? You also want to think of what are like step 1, step 2, step 3 towards that big outcome. And you can think of anything in between. So what have you achieved that overcomes some problem that maybe has got to step 1 of the outcome? So maybe you want to teach people how to become financially free, but you're not financially free yet. Well, does that mean you can't teach people how to become financially free? Not necessarily. You shouldn't be promising people that when you go through your program, you're going to become financially free if you're not financially free yet. That's not what you should promise. What you should promise is a step towards becoming financially free, a step towards solving a problem that's going to stop them from becoming financially free. So managing your money, investing your money, making more money all lead to becoming financially free. What can you focus on? Can you focus on helping people manage their money? Can you focus on people having better habits around their money, better beliefs around their money, better, when it comes down to it, how to find investment vehicles? If you've had that before, do you know how to increase your income or start a business? Maybe that's what you can help people with. So financial freedom is the end goal, but you don't need to promise financial freedom. You need to look at what's the specific thing you want to help people with. What's one problem you want to solve? And if you start thinking about solving a problem and giving people an outcome, that's really going to help you. It's not about the information, It's about the transformation you can give someone. I'm gonna say that one more time. It's not about the information you give someone, it's about the transformation that you give someone. No one cares about the information. They care about the results, the outcome, the transformation they're gonna get. That's really big to understand. They're not buying your stuff because it's good information. They're buying it because you have some sort of promise, some sort of outcome, some sort of result or transformation that you're giving them. So you're solving a problem. That's an outcome. So stop thinking about more information, or I need to know all this information, I need to have all this knowledge. You don't. If you know how to solve a problem that people are having and you've solved it already, that's enough information for you to get started. You're thinking about transformation, not information. So keep thinking of transformations that you can have, that people can have, problems you can solve. And that would be really helpful for you to get started, start a new product, create a new business, start a new service. That's how I want you to be thinking at all times. Hopefully that's helpful, and I appreciate you being here. Tell me what your biggest takeaway was of this video. Comment below, and let's start the conversation. I appreciate your time, I appreciate your attention, and I honor your commitment to learning and growing. Talk to you soon, and I will see you later. Bye for now, and make sure you get something from this video. Like you see, how can this video relate to me? Maybe there was something I said, but really, you took the time to watch it. So make sure that you comment below with some takeaway or get something from it. Use this video to help you. Talk to you soon, and bye for now.